Right, just an update on the roller. The weather for end of July and August hasn't been so good so far. It's been drizzle and damp weather, not the ideal for painting, but what I did manage to do, I managed to refit the left hand tank and actually paint the engine. So I managed to progress in spite of work commitments and the weather. So the next plan is to concentrate on the cab, which will be sort of hopefully done Friday afternoon into the weekend. A bit of welding. I could take the windscreen out and prepare the cab. Inside's going to be sort of rubbed down a little bit and filled. Then I've got to do the side covers and the engine covers. That's going to be rubbed down. Then the bonnet's going to be rubbed down and prepared. I've got, I don't know if you can see there, I've got some screws there, like brand new ones. The original screws were crossheads and a bit damaged because I had to use an impact driver to get them out. So it's stainless steel screws. I think they're 3/8 BSFs. Yeah, I think they're 3/8 BSFs. So they have been tapped and checked. They fit okay. The other job I was going to do was a fan belt, but I had a bit of a problem there. The fan belt, I ordered it because this is a Massey Ferguson 135 engine, or Perkins 3152. I thought the Massey Ferguson fan belt would fit, but unfortunately it was a little bit too short, only by about an inch. So I had no adjustment on it. It was far too tight, which would affect the bearings and the alternator bearings on the fan water pump. So I've got another one coming, which is slightly longer, which should do the job. So that will be fitted in the next few days. So the engine side of it's completed. To look back at it now, the cab is the largest item to do now. It's going to be rubbed down inside and out. I've actually shot blasted the main part of the floor plate has been done. The side covers are going to be rubbed down, so I got a choice of jobs really. You can do the side covers, going to be taken back. I don't think I might, because it's such good condition, I might not take them back to bare metal. I might just take them back to the priming coat and see what it looks like. The bonnet's going to need a bit more work on it. It's a bit rust spots on it, so that'll have to be taken back to bare metal. So she's taking shape. I reckon she's got to be 2/3 done now. Done another brake check the other day. The brakes need to be just taken up a little bit more. The brakes are holding really good now. Lighting's okay. I'm going to retest the water supply system because I've fitted both tanks are back on now. They've been rubbed down, cleaned out. They were really bad. I flushed them out before on the roller, but when I took them off, I put a hose pipe through them. There was even more gunge come out of them, so they are clean now inside, and they've been welded up where required. So all in all, the project is coming on well. I'm quite pleased with it. Hopefully now the weather forecast is supposed to be good over the weekend. So the biggest job on this machine now is with the welding on the lower part of the windscreen there. You can see it there. It's a bit of corrosion. So the windscreen's got to have to come out, and they'll plate that. It needs about 9 inches of plate put in there. So that'll be plated and rubbed down and filled whatever needs to be done, and the job's a good one. But the engine came out quite well. It's been sprayed Brunswick green, mid Brunswick green. That's the original colour actually of the roller. The roller was built with that colour, but was when it went to use, it was given this metallic bluey greeny coat of paint, which is going to go back into that colour. I've got as I said before, I've got the matching colour for it. So she's going to look good. She's going to go as she was when she was delivered all those years ago. So This is a really pleasant project. I must admit I've done a lot of draughts in my time. I've restored draughts and all sorts of machines, but the road rollers are something else. I like them. So till next time, I'll report back probably in a week's time, but I've just got home from work now, so I'll have a coffee and put my feet up. So and crack on then the weekend to do those welding repairs. But as you can see, she's taking shape now. Also, the update on the decals for the Aveling Barford decals, they're up the printers at the moment, at the sign printers. They're doing the proofs for me at the moment, so I can have a closer look at them when they're done. But I can't see any problems. It's going to look good. And the sign writer is on standby to come and do the EIO and Sons. So it's all organised, and I was hoping to get it finished sort of in August, but because of weather, the weather's been the main thing. Work commitment's not too bad. You can do it on them afternoons. I can do an hour in the morning, but unfortunately the weather's been really poor. It's been drizzly and wet, so it's not conducive to doing restorations outdoors. So well, there we go. So see you next time.